So how to do a manual reconciliation of your bank? If you have received money from your customer, go through sales invoices and, for example, click on invoice which been not paid yet and scroll to the bottom and there is add payment. And when you add payment, select one of the bank accounts where money been received. So for example, received in TSB account and click save. This will record transaction in under customer account under this particular invoice. When you go to sales invoices, it shows paid. If you have paid to supplier invoice, it's the same way. Go through purchase invoices and, for example, if you have paid to Book Limited, you can pay this invoice, or also you can add additional payment on account, for example 100, add note on account and click save. So this will record additional £100 on this particular supplier's account. So it also shows overpaid, but when you will have an invoice, it's possible to allocate to correct place. So what we can add, if you have bank charges or you have paid for, let's say, pension contributions or national insurance contributions, go through bank and let's say in Lloyd's TSB account, we have made a couple of manual entries, or we need to record a couple of manual entries. This section, Add Transactions, allows you to do so. For example, on 1st of April, I had a bank charges. Let's find the bank charges and comment. I'm adding bank charges for previous month and money out £10. And click on plus button and it records that bank charge is there. And as we can see below, invoice 2 was paid, that's what we allocated to customer, and plus there is money going out as a payment on account for that particular supplier on its quoting book 01 as a supplier account. So if you need to, if you have paid pension contributions, same way. For example, on 6th, we paid for pension contributions, employer's pension. Add comments, what is your pension provider. Let's say for March, and money out, for example 125, and click plus. So this will record all transactions going out if you cannot allocate to particular supplier account or to customer account. So yep, it will also show your statement and you can update dates, and if you are happy with reconciliation, which shows the closing balance, if it's matching, you can lock. So any other transactions, what will be entered will be entered from date 12 and onwards. So, yep.